This is Rakesh from Let's Make Learning Simple channel. This channel is all about software-oriented courses like Java, software design patterns, machine learning, and etc. At sometimes, I will try to upload other videos also, like general knowledge videos, health benefits videos. The reason behind that is I need to make the community very active. So that's the main motto of this channel. Now we are going to discuss about the kiwi benefits, kiwi fruit. So this is a kiwi. So we are going to discuss about the benefits of this fruit. So if you observe it closely, you would see the structure of the kiwi is similar to an egg structure. It contains many nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin K, potassium and etc. Each nutrient has its own value to our body. So because of these nutrients, we have n number of benefits while consuming kiwi. So the first benefit is it will treat us. It is a good natural treatment for asthma. If you are suffering from asthma, if you are doing some English, if you are taking English medicine, then you can also take this kiwi as a fruit for treating the asthma in a natural manner. So you can take this in a side. You can take this kiwi daily for preventing asthma also, because it contains vitamin C and antioxidants. These are the two nutrients that act as a protective layer around our lungs. And then it's very good for digestion because kiwi is very rich in nutrients called fiber. So this fiber is the main thing for digestion. If we consume more fiber, then our body would automatically suitable for the good digestion. So fiber is for digestion. And then it boosts our immune system. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C. So if we take kiwi at a daily means, then our body would be very active, proactive against the diseases. If you are working in an office or studying in a school, if you get cold or fever very frequently from other persons means, then your body lacks in the immunity system. If you eat this kiwi fruit or any fruit which is very rich in vitamin C, then our body improves our immunity system. Then if you have good immunity system, then your body acts against diseases. It acts as a protective layer against the diseases. And then it manages the blood pressure because kiwi is rich in blood pressure managing nutrients. And then it reduces fat in our blood. So blood has a number of components like WBC, RBC, platelets and cholesterol and fat like that. Blood should contain only a minimal amount of fat. This kiwi nutrients reduces the fat in our blood so that it protects our heart and then protects against vision loss. Actually, the main reason for vision loss is macular degeneration. Kiwi has nutrients to control or reduce the macular degeneration. So kiwi also protects our eyes. So these are the benefits of eating kiwi. So please try to eat kiwi at least once a week. If you can eat daily, then it's better. If it's not possible, then eat at least a week or at least a month. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe my channel for watching software oriented courses and then for other latest stuff. So thank you.